how to transform your cluttered desktop into a minimal and aesthetic workshop that not only looks great but also boosts productivity. Let's dive in. First things first, let's clean up our desk. A cluttered desktop can be overwhelming and distracting. So, for deleting anything that you don't need in here, simply select it and click on delete. In this way, you can start by deleting or moving any files you don't need. Create files and folders for different categories like work, personal, and entertainment to keep things organized. Now let's pick a minimal wallpaper. A simple clean wallpaper can make a huge difference in the overall look of your desktop. Websites like Unsplash or Wallpaper Abyss have great options. After that, now to change your wallpaper, what you need to do is simply right click and click on personalize, and on background you can simply change your background. Now you can organize your desktop icons. You can either arrange them neatly or for a truly minimal look hide them all together. On Windows, right click the desktop, then go to view and uncheck show desktop icons like this. Now you can also customize your dock or taskbar. Tools like a Rocket Dock for Windows or U-Bar for Mac can help you achieve a cleaner look by organizing your frequently used apps. You can here pin your frequently used apps and simply remove it by right click on it and clicking on unpin from taskbar. Now install minimal icon packs and themes. There are many free icon packs available that can give your desktop a cohesive and aesthetic look. Whether websites like DeviantArt or Icon Archive are great places to start. For Windows user, Rainmeter is an amazing tool for adding customizable widgets to your desktop. You can add clocks, weather widgets, and more to enhance the aesthetic while keeping it functional. Thanks for watching. And that's all there is to it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on productivity and tech.